Where are you, Liam?
At a construction site.
Are you at the construction site?
And there's an excavator.
What is there?
Is that Tama?
Oh.
Excavator? Behind it is a big crane.
And what is behind it?
A crane and an excavator.
Do you want to show the other people what's behind it? That side?
Oh, there's a bucket. There's a bucket?
Yeah, that's the bucket of the excavator. They have put her. So they put? They put another attachment.
And this is where the driver sits in.
Where? There?
See here?
That's where the operator sits? And? Yeah? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's the door.
That's the door.
It opens a different door.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is the engine.
That's the engine. All right. Mind your head.
Oh, here's the tracks.
There's the tracks.
So
Wow.
big.
Don't.
So big.
So what do you have on your head?
Hard hat.
You have a hard hat.
Safety,
Why?
Safety.
Safety.
Safety first.
Okay. Mind the bike is on, huh? You can't go too far. What's there?
That's the big crane.
What is that there? That's the?
It's a mobile crane.
That's a mobile crane. Mm.
My dad took two pictures. Two wheels. Like there was gray and there was yellow.
Okay.
And there's another crane over there.
Another crane over there. That's a small one.
And I was on the rubber.
Okay.
And this one actually has two cabins. One is for driving and one is for operating.
Is it? So what do you want to tell all your friends?
Machine like these.
Uh-huh.
The one is like the escalator. Like the size actually.
Okay.
If you see the escalator or the side of the escalator, or that crane over there,
Is it?
or that little crane over there, or that dump truck over there.
Yeah.
See that big thing over there?
Yeah.
That's the big dump truck.
Okay. So what do you have to tell your friends to do?
And make sure you should be safe of these big machines. You stand in front of it like this and push you.
Okay. And what must you wear when you're on the construction site?
What I'm wearing is a hard hat.
And make sure the strap is tight. Yeah.
First put it on, then put the strap down.
Yeah.
Safety.
Safety.
You should not wear a bike helmet at
Okay.
construction site.
Okay.
Those wear what I'm wearing.
Okay. Well, you don't have a safety shoes on, so we must get you safety shoes.
It's just blocks.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, this is right over here.
Yeah. Come on, let's go then.
I can show you. There's some small wheels over there.
Yeah.
The biggest wheel.
And the one at the back.
And the other.
Okay. Come, let's go now. So, did you?
Yeah. I don't forget the most last one.
Mine don't go close.
The air bottle.
No, that's oxygen. They use it for burning, for welding, for cutting. Come.
No, these are for these guys.
Yeah, come on. So, let's go.
Okay, thumbs up.
Uh-huh.
Thumbs up. And subscribe.
Okay.
And click the subscribe button.
Uh-huh.
Notification bell.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to see a second one that I'll make, this time tomorrow I'll talk about this machine.
Okay.
I'll talk about X-ray.
Okay.
And
And do you want to ask them what are their favorite machines?
if you know what your favorite construction machine is, because there's different types. You see what a digger or dump truck, excavator, RSC.
And then?
And sometimes you can come by car or by bike.
Okay.
A bike, it'll take A car can manage
Is it?
because it has more fuel.
Okay. So let's go then?
We're gonna get beer now.
Okay. Shalom. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.